QuietCool is proud to announce its latest top-of-the-line solar fan created to revolutionize ventilation in small spaces. The QuietCool Solar Utility Fan is designed for a variety of uses, including small storage sheds, small agricultural applications, and more. Our new UTF-SLR-04-L takes our existing solar utility fan and enhances it with a built-in light that turns on via motion sensor. This fan is fully self-contained, water resistant, and powered by a 3.5 watt solar panel with no wiring required. The QuietCool Solar Utility Fan is a perfect accessory for backyard sheds due to the fact that it requires no maintenance and will actively ventilate and exhaust the inside of the shed anytime there is sunlight. During the summer, your shed can be up to 50 degrees warmer than the outside temperature. Active ventilation in your shed allows it to stay closer to the outside temperature, helping to keep your valuables and belongings safe. At 33 CFM, this fan does a complete air exchange every 7 minutes, or almost 9 full air exchanges per hour for a standard 6x5 shed. This will help keep your valuable items in your shed cooler and help ventilate and exhaust the hot, stale air that stays stagnant inside a typical shed. The fan features 5 bright LEDs that can light up your shed day or night when motion is detected. Gone are the days of having to bring a flashlight with you to see the inside of your shed. Simply walk into your shed and enjoy the illumination from your new solar utility fan. The solar utility fan is very simple to install with the included locking ring, only needing a hole socket and sealant. Upgrade your backyard shed by providing active ventilation with a QuietCool Solar Utility Fan.